Hi guys, this video is very important for CA final audit students of May 24 exam. Very good news is almost 500 pages content is removed. In the CA final audit, 500 pages content is removed. Further, 180 pages content is newly added. Approximation only I'm telling you based on my preliminary workout, a preliminary basic research. Yeah, I have gone through all the materials of new scheme of CA final audit. All the chapters I've gone through. After that, I came to a valid conclusion like major chapters were removed, which were there in the old scheme. Okay, who are writing in the November. And these topics will not be continued in the May 2024 onwards. Instead of them, like they removed it, right? They have newly added few topics which are like standards on assurance, standards on related service, standards on review engagement, social development, sustainability development, and environmental audit, social and governance audit. These are all very, very, small topics, like they don't take much time. So this is something newly added. Something which drastically was eliminated is these topics. Of course, earlier also, like suppose there is a topic like corporate governance and audit committee. In this, in audit CA final, generally every faculty, not only me, every faculty discusses only audit committee topic. And corporate governance, anyhow, it is covered as part of law. So to avoid duplication, they deleted here. Company audit, the provisions of Companies Act, they were dealt at CA inter law itself. So they deleted here. Liabilities of auditor, this is nothing but punishments under various laws and regulations to the auditors. Punishments under income tax law, under GST law, under Companies Act, deleted. Peer review and quality review, the chapter deleted. Physical loss audit, deleted. Management and operational, actually there is a chapter called internal management operational audit. Internal audit is retained, management and operational audit is deleted. Schedule 3 deleted. In final old scheme, who are writing for November, schedule 3 is there as part of CA final audit, but we don't cover it in audit classes because it is covered explicitly in FR. So we don't cover. Now anyhow it is covered as part of FR. To avoid duplication, deleted. Insurance audit, deleted. The chapters which generally students want to take it as choice in CA final, they were deleted. Majority of them were deleted. And now you might be having, like, what chapters were newly added, what were retained. Like if you look at the new scheme audit material, the ICI has divided into 3 parts: module 1, module 2, and module 3. By the way, I'm also going to explain the situation about my existing students, whoever have already joined, mentioning that it is May 24 exams. So I'm going to clarify that point also now. And whoever is asking for May 24 lectures of audit, okay, from me, like in the past 1 week, I have received many inquiries for May 24. Have you started? Arey man, material was released on July 1st. To do a basic research, itself takes 10 to 15 days. Based on that, we need to update our materials completely from the scratch. That takes another 15-20 days minimum. I'm telling you the minimum time frame. Okay, in order to deliver you the top notch at best quality service, we need some time, right, to arrange for all the stuff. Yes, sir. I need to first of all make the material so that it matches the new scheme material completely. So I need to make all the changes. Getting it? So just I'll clarify at the end of this video. Now you see, the CA final new scheme material for audit is divided into 3 parts: module 1, module 2, and module 3. Entire module 1, they covered all auditing standards. In the module 2, so in the entire module 1, is there any new content added in the new scheme compared to the old scheme? Nothing. It is just a chapters reshuffling has been done. Concepts has been reshuffled. That's the only change. All these topics, all these concepts in these chapters, they were all covered in our existing scheme as well. Next, module 2. Specialized areas is SA 800 series. Related services, review engagement. Review of financial, related services means SRS. Review of financial information means related engagement. Prospective means assurance services. Now, chapter 12, 13, 14. Chapter 12, 13, 14, what I say, you see, 12, 13, 14 are common and exactly same. What are they? Now, you see, 12th chapter, they named it as digital auditing and assurance. Nothing but automated environment audit. Audit in automated environment. Group audits, nothing but CFS audit, consolidated financial statements audit. Audit of banks and NBFC. Earlier we have two separate chapters. Now they merged it. Exactly copy paste. Now some students, sir, are they exactly copy paste? Not exactly. I'll tell you what they what change they brought. Earlier we have a separate MCQ and case based material, right? Earlier in the old scheme. Now what they did is all the MCQs and case scenarios were integrated as part of the chapter below the concerned concept. That's the only change. Now you don't have separate MCQs, you don't have separate case study based questions. It is part of the chapter itself. That's the only change they did. That's the only change they did. Now, so in module 2, if you observe module 2, just a minute. So digital audit, just case scenarios were added to automated environment chapter. Group audits, it's nothing but CFS audit. Case scenarios and MCQs were added. Audit of banks and NBFC, same logic. Next, module 3, PSU. Earlier we have the same chapter, same content, believe me. Internal audit, same content. Just that some contents of reshuffled. Due diligence, investigation, forensics, same content. 18th chapter is newly added. Only 18th chapter. In the module 3, one chapter is newly added. And coming to chapter 19, ethics and liabilities of auditor. They used the word liabilities of auditor, but the liabilities of auditor topic itself is deleted. Liabilities of auditor topic itself is not there, but still they use the name. But there is no such topic in this. Okay, so ethics is exactly same syllabus. Just that the cases were added, illustrations were added. That's it. Nothing, no change. So in the module 3 of new scheme, except chapter 18, all other chapters, existing scheme material, existing scheme lectures can be happily watched. Okay, now whoever have already enrolled, I am going to make a clear-cut guidance video based on whoever is having existing video lectures. Now you already, you are planning for May 24 or later. Okay, so what exactly to do so that you will not be missing, you will not be outdated. Okay, I'll give a guidance video later. This is a clarification video in general for everybody. Now, module 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, only these 4 chapters were newly added. Rest all other were there in the existing scheme. Even in module 1, entire content is there in existing. So what is newly added in the new scheme? Chapter 8, 9, 10, 11 and chapter 18. Only these 5 chapters were newly added, which consist of some 180 to 200 pages. Previous old scheme, 500 pages content is deleted. Are you clear? If at all, any of you are waiting for enrolling for May 2024, no need to wait. You can happily approach us. We will give you a guidance video clearly, and already majority of this recording is readily available. And one more thing, in the August month onwards, probably first week or second week onwards, by then I will be making this entire material ready as per the new scheme for May 24. Those who are planning for November 23, already material is ready, classes are ready, latest edition 23 classes. So this is going to be edition 24 class for me, logically. So the material will be ready and I'm going to make classes also. So initial phase, what I am doing is whatever my common recordings were there right in the existing scheme, common chapters, wherever common content is there, same recordings I will keep. Now, whatever case scenarios and all were added, no, that I will give a separate PDF, separate material. For them also I'll provide video lectures. Now, whatever the topics newly added, right, I will give you a new lectures for that at the initial phase, so that whoever is planning for May, without much waiting, they can happily continue watching the classes. Now, anyhow, I'll come up with a guidance video how I am going to launch these classes, everything in the within next 4 or 5 days. Don't worry, I'm there. I will come. I will be starting the new lectures as soon as possible with the new material, updated material. So I just want to give this clarification so that whoever is asking me further queries, I'll just refer this video to them. Okay. So all the very best. Have a nice time.